Hi guys, today we are going to discuss about what are the advanced Google search tactics or the tips which works for 2019 and beyond. It's a proven tactics. I'll let you know. These are the complete tactics which I have been used and it works for you to find the keyword and to find the post of the particular website and to find the backlinks of particular website and to find the shares and social media shares of the particular website. This is a complete checklist of complete advanced Google search tactics which works well for you. And finally, if you type site colon the particular URL, it shows you complete links in the search results. What are the complete backlinks of the particular website in the search results also. And finally, use this complete checklist which works for you. Have a look into this. Hope guys, you have learned what are the advanced Google search tactics which works. These are the proven tactics and this helps me a lot and I hope this helps you a lot. If any doubts, anything, just comment below. I will get back to you. Thank you.